contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WWE Championship. Making his way to the ring, weighing 310 pounds, the WWE Champion, Sergeant Slaughter.
The WWE Champion, Sergeant Slaughter, has turned his back on America.
Well, Slaughter reinvented himself, wrote a whole new playbook. If Hogan expects to win this match and the WWE title, he'll have to pull out all the stops.
It is easier to keep the title than it is to win it. Hogan will have to dig deep if he expects to defeat Sergeant Slaughter.
And introducing the challenger from Venice Beach, California, weighing 303 pounds, the immortal Hulk Hogan.
It's mayhem here in the City of Angels. It's Hulk Hogan.
I have never heard an ovation like this for anyone in my life.
Hulk Hogan waving Old Glory as he makes his way to the ring. Looks to be in the best shape of his entire life. You can feel the electricity here tonight. Sergeant Slaughter versus Hulk Hogan. This is about so much more than the WWE Championship. This is about American pride.
Slaughter returned to the WWE with a new attitude. He's turned his back on America and the WWE fans.
Hulk Hogan won the Royal Rumble to earn this title shot here tonight. Something tells me that Hulk Hogan is going to enjoy the beating that he has planned for Slaughter.
Well, JR, Slaughter has gone from a true American hero to an Iraqi sympathizer. He was desecrating the American flag at the Royal Rumble. There's only so much of that Hogan can stomach.
Oh, I can feel Slaughter is looking for any advantage that he can get. He'll stop at nothing tonight.
Hulk Hogan is not just fighting for the WWE Championship, but for all of America.
Sergeant Slaughter won the WWE Championship from the Ultimate Warrior at the Royal Rumble. Hulk Hogan won the Royal Rumble match for the second year in a row, which guaranteed him a WWE title shot tonight.
Oh, that's right, JR. But it wasn't until Hulk Hogan learned that Slaughter was
He's showing he'll do anything it takes. The end could very well be near. Hulk Hogan is a Patriot missile, ready to explode at any moment.
Hogan wants that WWE title, and this match is over.
Here is your winner and new WWE Champion, Hulk Hogan.
He got him. Hogan did it for WWE and the United States of America.
History has been made tonight. An unprecedented three-time winner of the WWE title. Hulk Hogan, the WWE champ once again.
Undoubtedly, this has been the most memorable night in WWE history, and you are a part of it. I've never seen anything quite like this. The gold, once again, around the waist of Hulk Hogan.